How to find auto download with mobile data settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find auto download with mobile data settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find this storage and data. Click on it and here you will find it. When using mobile data, just click on it and here you can manage it. You can make it everything on, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.